Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be changing the transmission oil in this BMW R1150 RT. Let's get started. All right, this process is relatively straightforward. So we have our drain plug on the bottom here and our fill plug up top. So first things first, we loosen our drain. And then remember to grab the crush washer that's going to come off this, and we're going to want to replace this. Now that that has finished draining, we're going to take our drain plug with a new crush washer. We're going to reinstall the transmission oil drain plug. So now for filling it, this is a spill to fill style. So what we're going to do is we're going to use 75 W140 synthetic gear oil, and we're going to pour it in this hole until it starts spilling out. So make sure your bike is upright on the center stand and you're not doing it on the side stand to avoid overfilling. So I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but the oil's flush with the bottom of the threads here, and it's just barely trickling out. So once you have it completely full and you can't fit any more oil in there, reinstall your fill plug here with a new crush washer. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please check the links in the description. Otherwise, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a safe ride.